Hi guys, with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to change your iPhone 6 battery. This is the iPhone 6. So you need of course, battery, and you need is all the screwdriver. Yes, let's take it out the cover. Sorry. Okay. As you see that it's line. Phone is already it's open this area. It's okay because of the battery. Battery is not good condition. It's like, I don't know what's happening, but it's something wrong inside, like blowing, like it's opened itself, this case. Let's go ahead and take it out of that screw. There is two screws here. Now we can use this guy and take it out. Right there. Yeah, let's take it out. Almost there. This guy too. As you see, it's already came up. You pull it within your nail. Put somewhere safe. I mean, what you can do. I mean, I have something was okay. This is the one that I think I can use. As you see, like magnet. I just put the screw there and another screw here. I can put, but it's not coming off. Okay, come on. Okay, it came. Magnet is always good. See, two screw is right there. This is the magnet. So this case is gonna open very easy because it's already there. As you see, the connection case is open because of the battery. Let's go ahead and use this plastic one that push it inside. Then just go through. Okay, if it opens. Okay, what are you gonna do? From home side, home button, just pull it up, as you see, and open it. Alright, just open it. Let's see what's happening here. Something wrong? Oh, I don't know what's wrong. Okay, anyway, it's like this. You open. This is the battery with the nail or plastic. You just use take it out the battery right there, as you see. I don't know what's wrong with the battery, but yeah, that's something wrong. And also, you can take it out the screen. The screen is here. There's so many connection here with the plastic or with the nail. Your nail, you see, it helps. And just take it out. Anyway, if it doesn't come out, it shouldn't go. Okay, anyway, it should come out. Okay, this came out. This is now. Let me see. Alright, right there. Maybe it's right here. Okay, it came out. This way is gonna be easier. What we're gonna do, take it out this guy. I don't know what's wrong with this battery losing. It's not charging. I think it's kind of damage or what. Okay, what we can do with this plastic. Okay, let's see, just underneath. This is the second time that I'm changing this battery, and yeah, maybe it's all the batteries are damaged or what. Okay, let me go ahead and with this plastic card go underneath. See, let's just push it. This is coming easy because this is the second time that I am changing the battery. So if it's your first time you're changing the battery, you have to heat it. Then you have to heat it. Then after that you can put the battery back on. Okay, let's, what is that here, right here. There is already a glue here, tape here, and just you can use that tape. Alright, this is the new one, as you see. Yeah, just go ahead and put it back. Alright, this is the one. As you see, look at this. So thin. This is thicker. I mean, it's blowing or something. I don't know what's wrong. Anyway, I'm gonna return this because it's damaged. I just want to return it. Anyway, okay. All right, now let's continue. What are you gonna do? Yeah. Right there, just put it your battery. Oh, sorry. Where was it? Oh, right there. Okay, right there, as you see, there's a battery. Right. You're gonna make a connection right here, then connecting there. After that, I don't want to take your time, guys. It's like you're connecting this connection there, and after that, you're just connecting this screen. First, of course, you hold it from the home button and hold it this, and then put it all to this connection exactly the same place. Then after that, just put the two screws and you're done. And also one other thing is that you have to be careful before you do screen. Take it out the connection of the battery, then you connect the screen. That's the best way to do. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully I am helpful you guys, and see you soon with the another, of course, video. All right, guys, take care.